In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma to PDF. We'll walk through this process step by step, so if you're new to Figma or just haven't used the export feature much, don't worry. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your designs into a clean, shareable PDF. First, make sure you have your Figma file open in the editor with the design or frames you want to export already set up. You can do this in either the browser version of Figma or the desktop app. The export process works the same way. Look toward the top of the right-hand sidebar in the Figma interface. You'll see a few tabs like Design, Prototype, and maybe Inspect. What you want to do is click on the Design tab. This is important because the export options live inside this design panel. If you're currently in Prototype or another tab, you won't see the export section at all. Once the Design tab is active, scroll down in that right-hand panel until you find the section labeled Export. If you don't see anything there yet, you may need to select a specific frame, component, or element on your canvas. Figma only shows export settings for whatever is currently selected, so click on the frame or design you want to turn into a PDF. After you've selected it, the export area should become visible. Now, in that export section, click on the button or field that lets you choose an export format. This is usually where you might see options like PNG, JPG, or SVG. From the list of available formats, click on PDF. PDF is ideal when you want to share a design as a document, send it for review, or make sure the layout stays consistent no matter what device it's opened on. After choosing PDF, you can double check any additional export settings if they're available, such as which frames are being exported or the scale. For a straightforward export, the default settings usually work perfectly. When you're ready, go ahead and confirm the export, and Figma will generate your PDF file. It will then prompt you to save it to your computer, where you can rename it and choose the folder you want, and that's all you need to do. By clicking on Design, opening the export section, and selecting PDF, you can quickly convert your Figma designs into a